Hello, everyone. My name is Matthew Gilmore. This presentation video is about I'm taking an ITEC course for college. Today, I'm going to be talking about the Xerox Star, also known as the 8010 Information System Computer. Uh, Xerox Star was the first implemented computer that used graphical user interface, what we call GUI. Uh, It was designed by Xerox Palo Alto Research Center uh, back in 1981. Wow, that's 38 years ago. Uh, the features of the Star uh, was the AMD AM2900 CPU, which was more of a, not like the CPU chip of today. It's more of a transistor. It used TTL, transistor logic uh, engineering. Uh, it offered 384 KIB, which is back then that's what they were called kilobit. Uh, uh, it was also you can expand it if you want to a 1.5 MIB uh, of memory capacity. So back then that was pretty good, not compared to today, but back then 1981 that was pretty good computer, very fast. It only came in three different type of hard drives. You had a 10, a 29, and a 40 megabit hard drive. But the key thing about the computer was it had built-in network connectivity. So it was more for office enterprise systems architecture, not like not much of a home use. Uh, the network connectivity for the computer was for file sharing, emailing, uh, if you want to use the internet to do research or do whatever. But it was more of a pretty much a business information system computer. Most of my research about this computer, I found that it was more of a milestone invention for other computers. It really didn't have much competition in a way that I could tell. One key thing that a lot of the research I came across about this computer was that it was a Xerox Star, but it was more known for its software that was called the Star. The only bad things about the Star was no other agency or anyone could, use that software technology and implement it to on their computer. I mean, I guess that makes sense for copyright and ownership. Let's see here. What else about this computer? The bad thing about the software it was using, it was a lot of it I found was more between hardware and software limitations. It had very engineers, developers, they had a hard time keeping up with demand as the customers, users, they really didn't pay attention to user needs in a way in a business environment. Let's see here. Most of the stuff I read, like I said, I didn't find really much about this computer. So I mean, it was, like I said earlier, it was a milestone. So other companies, I mean, actually, this computer was a stepping stone towards Atari gaming system. Imagine that. Uh, uh, but a lot of companies use this type of architecture in developing for their use and to be competitive towards the Xerox Star. It did have a successor though in the mid 1980s, late 1980s. Uh, it was the Xerox 6085 was its successor. Um, but I mean, bottom line, back then this was a pretty good computer back in my early days. So, but anyone that has information about this computer, please share. I mean, that's always was good, looking back towards your childhood memories uh, and compare it to the technology today, and it's wow, it's very grown, advanced. Tell my kids that all the time. But like I said, anyone out there that has experience about this computer system or has knowledge about it, please share it. And thank you for viewing. Have a good day. Bye bye.